main character is Bob, and he must find the magic chalice of power. So I'm going to cheat on this one. Ellen from Mistborn by Brandon Sanderson.
Is it? Where is it?
No!
Is it here? Where is it?
One of these two directions. Brandon Sanderson employs that. Wait, what? I'm completely in the wrong scene. Oh, well, we're just gonna... Hello, everyone. Someone said something about Halloween, so here we are, and we're gonna talk about why the story is not a normal ghost story. So, sit down and let's talk. Keeper of the Lost Cities is under there in that stack of books way over there. Take a little zoom in over there. I don't feel like collapsing my bookshelf just to get one. Ellen is a book nerd, like me. Any other topics?
I have something in my eye.
Oh, no! Losing the thread! We're hopefully editing this out later. And we're back! The chapter ends with Rebecca and her father falling off the top of the lighthouse and dying, where we tread into the ghosts can eat other ghost territory, and there's a special laser beam that can destroy them and send them off to the next realm. You remember that video, right there. Yeah, right there, that video. Just because they like lying in mud doesn't mean they're dumb. Stop mistreating them. Hi!
Hi!
You pass with flying colors. Where is the magic chalice of power located? Hello there, welcome to Kaidyn's Wonder Workshop. My chair is broken, and today we're going to be talking about some of the books I've been reading. 100 subscribers on my channel. But obviously the climax was rushed! Going from honorable mentions to flat-out showstoppers. Let us begin. I hope your day is full of wonder. Hi, it's me. I hope you enjoyed that compilation. It was just some of the funny or hilarious moments that I gathered from the videos in 2022. Nothing serious, just a little lighthearted jaunt to get us going in the year. Though we've had a video already, but just to get us going this year. 2022 was the best year I've ever had making videos, and I want to carry that momentum from 2022 over into 2023. Last year I hit some of my goals, I made some of the best videos I've ever made, the ones I'm really proud of personally, and I really want to carry that over into 2023. To start that off, next week I have a video coming out that I really like, and I hope you'll like too. It's about, well, you'll see. However, I hope your last month and a half has been good, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope your day is full of wonder.